Manufacturing units are shut, factory floors are quiet, and the world is at a standstill. The need of the hour is sustainable manufacturing that ensures business continuity and can help flatten the curve of an economic crisis. As manufacturers adopt a phased resumption of operations, the focus has shifted to minimizing human contact, improving hygiene and sanitization, and educating stakeholders on the new practices. But how can one use digital tools to obtain these objectives? While robotic automation, machine learning, and artificial intelligence can help reshape the assembly line and drive a circular economy, data analytics and IoT devices can track proximity, establish safety protocols, and enable timely recovery. E-learning is also an essential tool to help influence behavioral changes among all stakeholders. Let's collaborate to build smarter systems that can do more with less. Let's be resilient.